is my advocacy. Nature our home, our responsibility.
We stand at the crossroads. The earth, our home, is facing a crisis of our own making. From the towering mountains to the vast oceans, from the lush forest to the delicate ecosystem, the beauty and wonder of nature are under threat. And it's up to us, the stewards of this planet, to act. Nature isn't just a backdrop to our lives, it's the very foundation on which we exist. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, all come from the intricate web of life that sustains us. We are not separate from nature, we are a part of it. Yet, for too long, we've treated our home with disrespect. We've plundered its resources, polluted its waters, and destroyed its habitat. We've filled our skies with smog, our ocean with plastic, and our forest with debris. The consequences are becoming increasingly apparent. Rising sea levels, extreme weather events, biodiversity loss, and a growing threat to our own health and well-being. This is not a time for complacency, it's a time for action. We must recognize that our responsibility extends beyond our individual lives. We must act as guardians of our planet, protecting its beauty and ensuring its sustainability for generations to come. Protecting nature is not just the responsibility of governments or environmental organizations. It's a shared responsibility. Each individual has the power to make a difference. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the larger picture. Imagine a world where humans live in harmony with nature, where our actions are guided by respect and responsibility. Imagine a world where our children inherits a healthy planet, teeming with life and wonder. This vision is not a dream, it's a possibility, a future we can create together. Let's rise to the challenge. Let's protect our home. Let's embrace our responsibility. Let's make a difference. Nature is calling. Will you answer?